The Jamaica Football Federation, the JFF, will be staging a charity football match to assist 5 former national players and a netballer who have fallen on difficult times. This according to President Michael Ricketts, who says the match will become an annual event.
JFF boss Michael Ricketts has promised that the last Sunday in each year, starting in 2018, an annual charity football event will take place to aid former national players who have fallen on hard times and need financial aid. Speaking recently to TVJ Sports, Ricketts says a welfare account will be set up with Marva Bernard to be in charge. He adds that the charity will extend beyond football.
So we'll be looking to offer assistance to 5 footballers and 1 national former netballer.
The match will be played on December 30 at Jacks Hall with a double-header starting at 5:30 p.m. with several former national players taking on an invitational celebrity team.
Which would include players like Lenny Hyde, Alan Cole, hopefully Walter Boyd, Tati Brown, Teagat Davis, of course, amongst others, Lenny Hyde.
At 7 p.m., a Mount Pleasant All-Star team will duel with the national under-23 Olympic team. Ricketts also says he will be looking into having a Hall of Fame to honor players annually. For TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.